Experiencing problems with remote desktop connection on your Windows 10 or 11? Worry not. This video has your back. Step 1. Ensure remote desktop is enabled. Go to Settings, then System, then Remote Desktop. Toggle the switch to enable it. Step 2. Check firewall settings. Confirm that your firewall allows remote desktop connections by adding an exception for mstsc.exe or disabling the firewall temporarily for testing. Step 3. Verify network connectivity. Ensure both devices are on the same network and that there are no network issues preventing the connection. Step 4. Restart remote desktop services. Open command prompt as administrator. Run the command net space stop space term service in small letter followed by net space start space term service. Reattempt the remote desktop connection.